Hello, everybody. I brought my friend Shiny with me today. Say hi to Shiny. Hello. Hey, Shiny, the kids at home have been working really hard at blending words, haven't they? Oh, yeah. And I thought maybe we could play a little game and you could help me where if we added a sound to the end of the word, we could make a completely new word. Doesn't that sound like fun? Oh, yeah. So if I said the word lie, and we added a f at the end of lie, let's see what word we make. Okay. I. Oh, we made the word life. That's right, we made life. We had lie, and then we had a f at the end, and that made life. Okay? All right, let's try some more. We'll practice adding a sound to make a new word. If I say lie, oh yeah, and we add a at the end, what word did we make? Oh, I'm lime. Very good. If I say the word lie, and now we add a n at the end, what does that make? Oh, I line. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. If I say lie and we add a z at the end, what word did we make now? Oh, eyes, lies. Oh, you're good at this, Shiny. Oh, I've been practicing. Okay, if I say lie and I add a t to the end, what word did I make? Oh, light. Very good. Okay, how about we use a different word? If I say the word say, and we add a f at the end, what word did that make? Safe. Very good. How about the word say, and we'll add a at the end? Same. Very good. Now take that word say and add a v at the end. Save. Well, you did a nice job with that. Let's let the friends at home try one. Okay. Friends at home, say the word say and add a l at the end. What word did that make? Sail. Sail. That's right. Good job, friends. Say the word say. Now add a n at the end. Yeah, what word did that make? Yeah. Sane. Very good. Nice job on adding a sound to the end to make a new word. Shiny, say goodbye to our friends. Bye-bye.